everybody. Today is going to be a very simple spring look. Get ready with me. No jewelry, no fancy stuff today. I'm just going to go through a couple of things that I've just been using lately. It's starting to actually get warmer here in New England, so I don't use as much makeup than I usually do. But I kind of wanted to do just like a simple get ready with me, something I haven't done in a while, and talk about things that frankly I'm using, that I'm reaching for. So let's dive in. First is my Chanel, this is the Little Beige's Touch. I love this product. As you can see, I have used up quite a bit of it. You know, I have a lot of foundation, but this one I just go back to every time. I think the reason I like it is it's super easy to use. It's got a really nice finish. It's skin-like, but it has a little bit of dewiness. It wears really well. It's just simple. And I don't get any caking, I don't get any fine lines. It's honestly my favorite, and I will definitely pick up another bottle of this. And I have it in BR12, by the way. Next, I want to mention that I finally was able to get my hands on Lucky by Rare Beauty. This is the liquid, I think they call it the Pinch Blush. This was a shade that I could not get. Like, it was out of stock, and during the sale, it was completely gone. As soon as the sale ended, of course, it came back in stock. But I have a picture swatch in natural light, so you can see what it looks like. It is very, very, very bright, like very bright. And because this stuff is so potent, I literally can use, like, if you have a deeper skin tone and you like a bright pink, this is gorgeous, but it's very, very bright for me. So my way to use this is to use, this is the Rose and Bend brush. This is the C41. So I kind of like take the tiniest dot, so pigmented, and just kind of put like that much on, like the tiniest bit, to give my cheeks like a flush of color. Yeah, it's amazing how pigmented this product is. Like all the shades, but this one in particular is like a beautiful bright pink. So yes, if you were wondering about Lucky, I did get my hands on it. Absolutely love it. Then I take the MAC bronzer. This is in light rosy. This is the Radiant one. And I'm really liking this one for spring, summer, whatever it is. I guess it's spring. We're having one of the normal New England springs, which is like freezing cold one day and then hot the next. I think you can see how well the Radiant Light Rosy works on my skin. It's a great shade for me. The Light Rosy and the Matte, not so much, but the Light Rosy and the Radiant, really, really enjoying it. Then I take my Armani. I have been trying to track down number 22, as I told you guys, because these are, if you didn't watch my video, these are being discontinued. The Armani balm blushes. So I'm going to have every shade. I have an SA who's picking up 61 and 45 for me, which are the only ones that I'm missing that are still like available that you can find. But 22 is like gone. I'll see if it comes up on a secondary market or something, or maybe when I'm in Europe, maybe they'll have it. I'll look. That product. So disappointed that it's going away. Makeup by Mario liner. This is in shade is this? Daniel. Daniel's a great shade. It's like a pinky brown. It just works with like pretty much any lipstick that I have. And I'll show you what lipstick I'm going to use, but let's do the eyes first. So I figured, you know, since we're doing a cute spring look, Suku, this is the pre-summer collection. As I've said a couple of times, the summer collection, when this video goes up, will be launching very, very soon. Some people asked about my Suku video about like how to pre-order. You need to pre-order with a person. So you need to have a sales associate. So it's somebody from Harrods or Liberty London or Selfridges that can order it for you. You can get it ahead of time. There will be stock available in stores, at least my understanding, but how much is going to be available, it's just really hard to tell. I mean, generally Suku sells out really quickly, so it's possible, because this is such a limited edition that's coming out, the summer one, that, you know, they have even less than they usually do. This one that I'm about to use is still available. The green one that I used in my Suku video, I think sold out at Selfridges. I think it also sold out at Harrods and Liberty London, possibly Cult Lady. But I think this one is available in a couple of places. It actually is a really beautiful quad. Only Suku could do a quad with purple and yellow in it and have me absolutely love it. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade, put that on the eye. It's kind of like a peachy pink. It's very soft. Isn't that beautiful? Never thought I would be saying that about pink, but Suku has the ability to do that. Now I'm going to use the bright yellow. It's kind of like a pop right in here. But you can definitely use this like integrated into the entire look. But I'm just going for a very soft look today. And the yellow is very bright. And I'm going to take the shimmer shade. Isn't that pretty? Honestly, Suku does an amazing job with every single quad. A little bit of Fenty mascara. Now to finish off lips, I'm going to take Jones Road. This is the Mocha Rose Shimmer that I was talking about that I said was so pretty. It just has a little bit of shimmer. It's not like, you know, overpowering, but it's just a really nice Mocha Rose shade. It goes with everything. And it's just easy to use because it's kind of a neutral. I mean, it's a little cooling, but because it's kind of a neutral, it kind of goes with everything. So it's one of those things you can leave in your purse. But it imparts like, I don't know, a little bit of like finish. It feels like a little bit sophisticated because it's got, I don't know, the shade is just a little bit shimmery. It's a really nicely done shade. But it's also like, it can work in spring, but I think this could work in fall. I just absolutely love the shade. And again, if you're not sure about Suku, or if you've never tried it before, or if you're in the US and, you know, it's not available here for you to look at, I will honestly tell you, I've never had a Suku powder product, eyeshadow, blush, highlighter that I've not liked, especially their eyeshadows. They just do a stunning job. And the shades don't, when you first look at it, you don't think, oh, that's going to work. But then when you get them in person, always just such a beautiful look. So very spring, very light, you know, nothing overpowering, but I just think it's kind of like a nice light spring look. Perfect to go out, go to dinner, do whatever you need to do, but doesn't take too long, and I don't know, just sort of fits the season. So I am going to be having like a couple of new things coming soon. I'm going to do a Jones Road shopping guide. I've promised that for a while. There's a couple other things, and also there might be a break in my videos for a while because I am traveling. We'll see what I can do. If there's going to be a break, it's okay. I'll be gone for a little bit, but I'll come back. And I want to say congratulations again to the winners of my most recent giveaway. For all those of you who subscribed, watched, comment, I really do appreciate it. And that's why I try to do those giveaways, to give back to all of you and to say thank you. I promise there'll be another giveaway in the future. If you have any thoughts or ideas about what you'd like me to do as a giveaway, certainly let me know, because I do try to like pick things that people will be interested in receiving in the giveaway. This last time was the Tom Ford Hazy Sensuality and the Dior Eden Rock eyeshadow palette. So again, congratulations to the winners, and hopefully I can do another giveaway soon. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you in another video really soon. Bye!